Hello, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how to stay healthy if you're a caregiver, if you're taking care of somebody else and somebody else is depending on you for their care. So taking care of others can be hard on your own health. In fact, 17 to 25% of people who are caregivers say that their health is either fair or poor, and that's according to the Family Caregiver Alliance. So that statistic isn't that surprising, because oftentimes caregivers actually end up neglecting themselves. Whether you're caring for young kids or elderly relatives, caregiving is very demanding. It's stressful too. And so following these tips that I'm about to give you will help you avoid injuries and also health issues while reducing stress in your life. So one thing you really want to do is stay active. Lack of exercise is really a common thing amongst caregivers. And at the end of a long day, it can be hard to find the energy to work out. It can really be the last thing on your list of things to do, yet inactivity will actually increase your risk of developing all kinds of health issues like obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, heart attacks, strokes, osteoporosis, depression, and even some kinds of cancers like colon cancer, breast or uterine cancer. Exercise gives us a simple way to reduce the risk of developing these diseases and conditions, and even 10 to 15 minutes of exercising per day can help you stay healthy. You don't have to visit a gym or even leave the house to enjoy these benefits necessarily. Waking up and just walking up and down steps repeatedly, for example, exercising to a video, or even jogging in place will get your blood flowing and keep your heart, muscles, and bones strong. Also, you don't want to neglect your interests. You may have given up your favorite hobbies or leisure activities, for example, after you begin caring for a friend or family member, and although the dedication is certainly commendable, you might soon feel depressed or even stressed if your life only involves caregiving, completely revolves around that. So try to find some time for yourself to watch a favorite TV show, for example, try a new restaurant in town, or finish a woodworking project or photography or playing a musical instrument. Whatever it may be, go ahead and try to find some time to do that. If the person you care for requires 24/7, 24-hour supervision, you can even ask a friend possibly to take over for you for a few hours so you can find time to do some of these things. Also, make your health a priority. You can't take care of other people if you're sick yourself. So if your diet suffered, for example, since you've become a caregiver, then that can be a real problem. Eating a balanced diet is really crucial for good health, so make sure your meals include options from the major food groups and avoid things like carbohydrates, sugary snacks and things like that, because they can cause problems. Make and keep appointments with your doctor when you don't feel well. The longer you put off receiving medical care, the worse your illness condition can become. So getting to your doctor promptly will help you ensure that you're well enough to care for your family member or friend. Also, you want to use safe lifting techniques. Poor lifting techniques can cause injuries that make it hard or impossible to care for your relative, your friend. And according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 17% of caregivers said that they experienced 14 or more physically unhealthy days over a month's time span. And that's a lot. It really is. Lifting with your legs while keeping your neck and head aligned can help you avoid injury. Also using a lifting belt too to help better transfer a person from a wheelchair to a bed. And no matter how cautiously you move, injuries can still happen. So don't be reluctant to ask for help, even if you think you can move the person safely yourself. Also, see your chiropractor. It's not unusual for caregivers to develop stiffness and pain, especially in their necks and backs, and ignoring your symptoms can worsen pain and decrease your range of motion. So regular visits to a chiropractor can help you reduce pain and other types of symptoms. Using spinal adjustments, soft tissue mobilization, massage, and other techniques, chiropractor can realign the spine, decrease muscle stiffness and pain, and also speed up the healing process of injured areas, and that helps also increase blood flow. So both you and your family member can benefit when you take care of yourself. So if caregiving is a task that's taking a toll on your body, we can help. So contact us at newhopechiropractic.com to schedule a chiropractic appointment today. Have a healthy day.